Hey, welcome to Tortilla Takeover. Today we're going to make some green chili chicken quesadillas on my Blackstone griddle. I have a couple of chicken thighs here, and we're actually not going to use the skin today on these. So we're going to remove the skin, take off any little excess fat. And these thighs have bone in, so I'm going to remove the bone. Just need to cut near the bone carefully. Okay, and then we're just going to slice these up in some strips. Okay, I'm going to get this next one done. We'll be right back. Seasonings, I have a tablespoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper, a quarter teaspoon of cumin, half a teaspoon of granulated garlic, a half a teaspoon of dried cilantro, and a half a teaspoon of oregano. All right, so we're going to get a bowl, put our chicken in there, and add all of our spices, and just let it sit for a little while till we're ready to cook. Of course, I'm using some Bueno autumn roast green chili, and I'm going to throw some of that in there because these are green chili chicken enchiladas. We're going to let this sit for probably half an hour. All right, first thing we're going to do, add a little olive oil. We're going to put our chicken in there with the green chili. Add a little bit more of olive oil in here. With that chicken thighs without the skin, you need to add oil. Been going about, 7-8 minutes. How do you know when your chicken is done, especially when it's thighs? Well, usually if you can take your chicken and just press down with your spatula, it cuts easy and it's white on the inside. If I can get that one, you know it's done. Okay, and chicken thighs, they can cook up to 180 and 190 degrees. Chicken breasts, you at least got to get it up to 165. If you have any thicker pieces in there you're questioning, just cut it in half and look at it in the inside. You can see right there, this chicken is done. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to slide this over to the side. The griddle is still warm over here, so it will stay warm. And clean this up real quick and we'll get our tortillas down. All right, so now for our tortillas, I got the extra large. You can use butter if you want. I like to use olive oil. Spread it around the grill. This grill is nice and hot. Throw my flour tortilla down. I like to use this Chihuahua cheese, Mexican cheese. It is really good, especially for quesadillas or quesadillas. Especially. Get a little cheese on the outside, don't worry. We love cheese. And a little fried cheese even makes it better. All right, now we're going to get this green chili chicken on there, half of it. Cheese is starting to fry up on the outside. Probably ready to go ahead and fold it over. Look at that. All right, I'm going to let this cheese melt. Oh yeah. Just like that. Look at that. Just like that, we got a couple of quesadillas. Let's go cut them up. There you go. Very easy. Green Chile Chicken Quesadilla. Oh, on the Blackstone griddle. Let's give it a taste. Nice and cheesy. Green chili and chicken. And hey, thanks for checking out Tortilla Takeover. We're gonna have all kinds of meals and food and everything that has to do with tortillas, flour tortillas, corn tortillas, herb tortillas, you name it. If it's in a tortilla, we're gonna make it. Hope you come back, hit the like and subscribe. Hopefully we'll see you on the next video.